Hi you guys, we are back again with another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you guys how I customized this unit, and I purchased this right under $45 for this synthetic wig. I will link all of the information. Okay, so this is Miss Kishana, and I have her in the face frame in platinum, and this unit is made by Sensational out of their Cloud9 collection. So yeah, I did purchase this off of Amazon. Of course, I will link that information in the description box. So I'm unboxing her, and straight out of the pack, the unit looks very nice. But I'm a hairstylist, so you know, of course, I have to go in and do my little touches. And you know, if you want to wear it straight out of the box, you can, but I think that it looks kind of wiggy whenever you do that. So I will also be showing you how I customize this unit as well. I think they did a very good job on the color. I kind of love platinum blonde, and you know, I think that, you know, they could have did without it on the side there, but in the bang area, I think it's really nice. But they have lots of colors to choose from, so you can try any color that you want. So let's check out this hairline. So you see how the knots are going all the way across in a straight line. You want to get rid of that if you want to, but straight out of the pack it does look nice, you know what I'm saying? But this is how it looks when you have it on. Nobody wants their unit to look like this. So I'm going to have to customize this if I want it to look nice. So stay tuned. I will be showing you exactly how I did it. The back looked nice, give me a little bit auntie grandma, but I'm going to take care of that as well. So you are going to get a canvas block and put it on there, because you will need to be able to see those knots so that you can see what you're doing. You will use your T-pins to hold this lace down. So you're going to use a slanted tweezer, and you're just going to begin plucking. Your main objective is to get that hairline to look natural. So you are going to have to tweeze, but make sure that you be careful, because you do not want to put any holes in your lace. So I've already tweezed out an area, and as you can see, there's a major difference in the way that this looks from before. And this is pretty much how you want it to look. You want it to flow really natural. And I'm speeding it up just so you can see the progress and how you need your hairline to look. Now that I'm done plucking that hairline, this is pretty much how much hair that I tweezed out. It is a lot. The wig is not shedding at all. It's just that I've tweezed out so much hair, but as you can see, that hairline is very nice and it looks natural. So now I'm going to use my trimmers to put the part in, and you do not have to do this. I'm just kind of, you know, whenever I do not have the time, I just use my trimmers to put my part in. You know, even if you were tweezing, you're going to be doing the same exact thing, just taking that hair out. But do not apply too much pressure if you are going to use this method to put your part in. But I love doing this because it's just way more easier and quicker. Next, you are going to go in with your TG Wax Stick, and this makes a heck of a difference. You will see once you try this. Anytime you're using the wax stick, you don't have to use a lot, but it makes a difference, especially if you're going to put the straightener to the roots of the hair. And you can always go in and tweeze some more. I see one little area in the front that just kind of needs a little more tweezing, and I'm going to go in and do that really quick, because the hair in that area is just not laying how I want it to lay. So I'm tweezing it out. You're going to go in with your Andis hot comb and straighten out the roots of the hair. You really only need to go up about 1 inch. You don't want to use high heat. Use about 200 degrees. that it can stay in, but you want to always start out on the lowest and then work your way up if you're nervous about it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please leave your feedback in the comment section. And of course, I will leave everything that I'm using in the description box along with the link to this unit. So I'm going to go in now with my cream concealer to define my part. Then I'll use my high beams to define the part. Even when you make these small adjustments, it makes the unit look more customized. So now we're going to tackle the back of this unit. I'm going to be using my Tinkle single blade razor, and you are going to be very light-handed because you do not want to cut any gaps in the weave, because this is synthetic, you know, it's pre-made, and it'll be hard to try to get any other hair to match. So just take your time and shave this down. If you are not following me already, if you want to see more of my work and styles, pictures, you can go over to my Instagram. I post daily. I update my stories. Also, if you want to, you can go to my community tab. I do have photos there so you guys can see and book your appointments. I will be going in and doing a little bit of thinning out. You don't have to do this a lot, but I'm just doing this because I want to give it a more natural feel. And you can purchase these thinning shears along with the shears from my website. This is pretty much how it looks after I've done all of my thinning and razoring. It has a natural feel and no one will ever know that this is a synthetic unit. And I know a lot of people are, against synthetic units for some reason, but in my opinion, synthetic units have come a long way since the beginning. I'm very proud, that they figured out how to make these units look more human-like, and you can treat this unit just like a human hair wig. Honestly, to me, it's low maintenance and you do not have to continue curling this. I'm going to use my trimmers to put a nice taper on this unit. And if you've ever seen any of my work just looks just like this. If you would have not have known that this was a synthetic unit, you would never know, because when you go in and customize, it makes it look a lot more natural. So now use your Red by Kiss 1/2 inch flat iron, and I'm going to use this to kind of put a slight bend at the nape of the unit. And again, make sure that you're using very low heat. Turn it all the way down and then work your way up. So now I'm going to put this unit on. As you can see, it is laying down very nice and it blends in well. So I'm going to be using my Chi Magnify XF volume, and the only reason I'm using this is because I am out of my Ebin Platinum lace spray that I normally use, but this works just as well. Anytime that if you don't have glue, you can always use a holding spray to apply these, and you can get an install and put it down with lace, and it'll be just like the normal human hair. You will need to do a ball cap and then put it on with the lace glue. And then I'm going to show you guys, like, whenever you tie it down, and I've learned this, when you tie it down, it just gives this extra melt and makes it look more like it's blending into your skin. After you've done your first layer, you're going to go back with your spray again. This is going to help melt it down whenever you put your lace band on. And I do this because it helps to stay down longer. And plus, it looks better as well. Like, it's going to look like your skin, and it's going to look very natural. And after you go in and put your band on, you can blow dry it, or you can sit underneath a dryer if you want to, but you're going to make sure that it's completely dry, or else it will stick. So I'm going to go in with my concealer just to kind of help blend it in some more. I'm going in between because sometimes behind that hairline you can see the little ashiness from the lace. Now I'm going to go in with my eyebrow archer, and all I'm going to do is just cut a little swoop on the side, and you don't have to do this, it's optional. Because the hairline looks good, you can actually wear it as is, but I like to go a little bit extra. Don't forget to use low heat whenever you are curling a synthetic unit. Start at the lowest heat and then work your way up. If you feel like it's not curling how you want to, just bump it up a tad bit. And this is pretty much the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to go over to Amazon to purchase this unit. And this is how it looks. Don't mind the back because I know I need a shape up. Thank you guys for watching.